Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to access your developer tool in Kiwi browser. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you're already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Kiwi browser. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Kiwi browser. Then it's going to load up like so. For you to access your Kiwi browser developer tool, next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to click on developer tool right here. Then it's going to take you to the experiment and different elements in developer tool on your Kiwi browser. Then you can simply come to the top right there, click on this particular setting icon to perform some of the experiment with your Kiwi browser. However, this depends on exactly what you want to do. So for instance, in this video, I'm going to head over to my experiment right here. Now, under the experiment right here, there are a lot of experiments that we can check, and some of them we can check. Everything depends on what exactly we want to have. So I'm going to check this protocol monitor right here. To check on protocol monitor. So, and if you don't really know much about some of these elements right here, you can click on this icon right here, which allow you to read detail about some of the elements before you can add them into your developer tool browser on your Kiwi. So right here, Chrome developer tool, use this Chrome developer tool so you can read detail about this particular experiment right here. So here, to instrument, inspect, debug, and profile Chrome, the protocol monitor provide you a way to view all the CDP requests and responses made by developer tool. So two new functions added to facilitate the testing of CDP. The new save button allow you to download the recorded messages as JSON file. A new field that allow you to send a raw CDP command directly. You can see the interface right here. So just like what you see right here, you can see a download button right here. So it's that simple, and you can scroll down and read detail about each of them right here, and you have it right here, including some of the preview and screenshots. So you can read detail from these sections right here. So let's go back to our developer tool in Kiwi browser. So you can experiment as many as possible tools right here. Under the experiment, you can also go to devices right here, which allow you to add any type of device you are using. If you would like to add your device, so you can select any of the device if you have it right here. But if you do not have any of your device right here, you can simply click on add a custom device. You can add your device to emulate your developer tool. Workspace right here. Then preferences, which is the whole page right there. You can format some of the preferences appearance right there, the layout, the languages, and then the way you search everything can be experiment right here as far as in developer tool is concerned. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your developer tools or how you can access your developer tools in Kiwi browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.